I am Radhakrishna Sethi from Gonpur. I was preparing for Odisha Civil Service examination on my own at home. But when I came across Rai Academy about the faculty members, their way of teaching style from my colleague, I have joined this Rai Academy since May 2021. And after joining this academy, I am feeling I am in the wave of a study environment, and I am learning each and every subjects like polity, economics, geography, history thoroughly from the highly qualified faculties of Odisha as well as from outside Odisha. I can say they have a much more depth of knowledge as they have already qualified UPSC mains and faced UPSC interview 2 to 3 times. Their way of teaching styles through PowerPoint presentations, their slides are very much helpful to watch. And during the online classes, I have observed that the way of teaching for prelims as well as the mains, the integrated approach and the answer writing practices are very much helpful to all of us. The I can remember the words of Shankar Rai sir, who is the founder of Rai Academy, that the quality and clarity of knowledge is much more important than the quantity of knowledge. And I am following the words of Shankar Rai sir, who has a great ethical and moral values in teaching the students for more than couple of years. And I can remember the words he said during the classes, that the actual motive of starting the Rai Academy is to uplift the underprivileged sections of the state to give the better education with a minimal cost. And after hearing the words, I am actually inclined towards Shankar Rai sir, and I promised myself not to go waste the ethical suggestions given by him. And I am very much influenced by the teaching style of Konya Jha sir's geography, who is presenting very nicely the geography slides in the way of PowerPoint, and his teaching style is very much admiring to all the aspirants. Prabhakar Jha sir's history as well as current affair classes is very much beneficial for us. And the special thing is the one-to-one mentorship of Shankar Rai sirs is very much helpful to what to do, what not to do. They are guiding, and each and every step we are following the suggestions of Shankar Rai sir. And one more thing is the Inspire Talk program conducted by the Rai Academy is also very much helpful. We can get the direct opportunity to talk with the already qualified students, which is very much helpful to all of us. And last but not the least, I can say the honesty in the mentor gave that much of confidence among all the aspirants to face and win all such hard battles ever. And I am very much thankful to be a student of Rai Academy and getting a mentor like Shankar Rai sir. Thank you.